Make this video because I already got this hair in and I needed to do a video anyway, and this is like the most decent that I'm about to look while I'm wearing it for right now, so I'm gonna just do it. So hair is from Dsoar hair. I already did a video on this hair. It was wavy at first, and now I did flat iron the hair out and put one curls in it. And originally when I first wore this hair, I'm gonna tell you all the specs in just a minute, but originally when I first wore this hair in its wavy state, I didn't have time to flat iron it out, and I just put one curls in it, so it was like really full and big. But the hair did frizz up and kind of revert because I was in the heat and humidity, so it didn't really last. You do have to straighten it out to really get it to last. So I did straighten the hair out, and I wore it straight for a day, and then now I put some curls in it. So yeah, it came out super cute. I was gonna be popping with the hair, but I wasn't feeling doing my makeup or none of that. Like, I just haven't been feeling it. So yeah, I'm gonna read you dolls the specs on this hair. Hair that I have is the Peruvian natural wave. And to just come and show you dolls this hair, and like I said, I had just curled it and everything. I curled it on my mannequin head, which is why you dolls didn't get a tutorial, and it's just basic one curl, so I don't feel like it's really a need for it. But it came out so cute and I really love it. I really like it like this with the middle part, and I really like to do middle part wigs whenever I don't feel like installing my wig all the way across, because it allows me to just glue the wig down just like in this area, and then if I have an elastic band, it will stay in place really good. Like, it kind of moves whenever you do like this, but if I was trying to pull it up, it's not gonna go anywhere. So yeah, really like it. This hair is really nice as far as shedding and everything like that, because I don't think I really covered it in the previous video, and I haven't had any issues with the hair being dry or anything like that. I did not put any oil on this hair whatsoever. I did use a little bit of hairspray to kind of hold the curls really good, because I did one curl it on my mannequin like I said, and I just left it like that to cool and everything. And then once I put it on, then I went ahead and finger combed it out. So I wanted something to really hold the curls really nice, but I think it curls really well, and it's very pretty. And I did use my new me curling wand to do these curls. I'm not sure of the barrel size. I believe it's maybe like a 1 inch or so. So yeah, sorry that my makeup is not complete, but I wanted to come and do this video for you dolls. Dsoar is really good. I love their hair previously when I have worked with them, and I really love it this time as well. So they have not disappointed me at all. The frontals are really good as well. I find that they don't really just shed a lot or anything. They do come pretty full, so you will have to pluck it. I didn't over pluck mine a lot. I just plucked it a little bit around the front, and I did do a little bit of baby hairs right there just to blend the lace down and everything. But I don't have any problems with this hair whatsoever. Like, I don't have a complaint at all. If I did have a complaint, it would be that, like, right now with the hair, after it's been washed and straightened and curled and everything, it does not have a smell to it at all. I don't smell anything. But whenever I had co-washed the hair and washed the hair and everything and was wearing it wavy, it would kind of give off a smell. But once the hair was dry, like, I would wet it down every day, and once the hair was dry, I wouldn't smell anything at all. So I don't know, it just kind of had a little bit of a smell to it initially. Maybe the smell just goes away over time, because that's how I kind of wore the hair more so in the beginning. And whenever I first curled the hair that first time, before I even wore it wavy, my cousin said that my hair smelled good. So I knew that the hair kind of had a smell to it when you wet it down, because I had tried a piece of hair just to see how wavy it would get if it was something that I wanted to wear in that state, and I knew that it kind of had a smell to it. So I was kind of surprised when she said that, but I guess it kind of airs out and it just goes with you, and you know, you're putting perfume on and stuff, so it kind of just gets the smell out. But it's not like a horrible smell, but it's kind of like you just smell something, like, you know, your hair kind of has a little bit of a smell to it. But that's just initially. That's about it for this video. And yeah, I just wanted to come and update you guys on this hair. If you have questions, leave them down below. I'm probably leaving something out. Definitely check out the first video so you can see the hair in its natural state and everything like that. And yeah, bye dolls.